Forno Appliances introduces the 30-inch induction range with air fryer. This model comes as available in black, or white, or stainless steel. Stainless steel finish that is easy to clean and fingerprint resistant, perfect for busy kitchens. User-friendly control panel with modern illuminated knobs for improved visibility and a premium look. Smooth cooktop featuring 4 heating elements ranging from 1500 to 3700 watts. Spacious stainless steel oven fits large dishes, ideal for holiday meals and batch cooking. Telescopic electroplated oven racks that extend smoothly for easier access to hot dishes. Monitor internal food temps without opening the oven for precise restaurant quality results. Hidden bake burner beneath the oven floor prevents spills from burning onto the element, reducing odors and making cleaning easier. Delivers even heat distribution with a true convection fan element for faster, more consistent baking and roasting. Crisp food with less oil using the integrated air fryer. No extra countertop appliances needed. Cook vacuum-sealed meals to perfection with precise low-temperature air sous vide capabilities. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno lowering the cost of living.